Okay, hopefully by working through the first part of this problem, dealing with the volume of water and how it's changing, how is the height changing, you'll be able to look up the formula for the surface area of a cone and follow a similar pattern. So this video answer is just going to focus on this sentence right here. So here's the right cone pointing downward, radius of 8, height of 19. Here's the water, and at any given time that water's got a volume, and it depends on the radius of the water and the height of the water. And we're asked to find the rate at which the height is changing. So we want H to remain in this formula for volume. And we like to get rid of the R because we don't know anything about how the radius is changing. So it's similar triangles is what it is. You can picture the big blue triangle as 8 by 19 with legs, and the little right triangle formed by the water with R and H as its dimensions. These triangles are similar because they both have a right angle, and they share this angle right here. So by angle, these triangles are similar, which means corresponding sides are in proportion. So 8 is to 19 as R is to H. Let's solve for R so that we can substitute 8/19 H into this formula. And that's what I've done right here. And I simplified it a little bit. I didn't multiply anything out, but there's what we want to take the derivative of with respect to time. So dv dt with respect to time equals, if I apply the power rule and take this 3 times the 1/3, that becomes 1. But the 8 squared over 19 squared pi, that's still a constant. So that's going to remain there. Then reduce the exponent by 1. And then the chain rule says times dh dt. Now we can substitute what we know. We're supposed to find dh dt when we know that the water level is leaking at 12 cubic feet per minute. So dv dt is the volume's going down, it's leaking, so it's minus 12 cubic feet per minute. And what's the height of the water is 12, so I'm putting 12 in for this H. So what we want to do is divide this number right here, negative 12, by that right there. Okay, and you could work it out by hand or use a calculator. So it's negative 12 times 19 squared over 8 squared, multiplying by the reciprocal, divided by pi and 12 times 12. And I'll let you work out what that is. But that's how fast the rate is changing. The height is changing, and note that's a negative number. The height is getting smaller as the water leaks from the cone. Okay, so look up the formula for the surface area of a cone and follow the same kind of steps. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.